If you love birds, you're in for a treat. Let's follow some gorgeous pigeons on their adventure. Meet our feathered friends, Pip, Squeak, and Flap. These three beautiful pigeons are on a mission to explore. First stop, the city park. Look at them strut their stuff, showing off those iridescent feathers. Next, they head to the fountain for a quick sip and splash. Did you see that? A perfect pigeon bath. Now they're off to find some tasty treats. Watch as they peck around looking for the best snacks. Got one. Good job, Pip. Finally, it's time to relax. Our trio perches on a cozy branch, enjoying the view. What a day! So next time you see a pigeon, give them a smile. Who knows, they might be on their own little adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button.